Hello and welcome to another episode of Resto-Rob. Today we're going to be working on a Kilborn and Bishop or K&B Alligator Wrench. They call it the Saxon. I'll have some more information throughout this video. But sit back, relax, and enjoy how I bring this rusty, crusty, nasty alligator wrench back into service. This is what the wrench looked like before I put it in the evaporust. Here's the wrench after I let it soak for 24 hours. This is the wrench after I cleaned it up on the wire wheel. The wrench unfortunately was so pitted that I had to get out my angle grinder with the 40 grit sanding disc. With my orbital sander, I used 40 grit and finished out with 800 grit sandpaper. Here I'm using my buffing wheel to polish the metal to a mere finish. I did use Johnson's paste wax to keep the metal from rusting. Here's what the wrench looked like before I started. And this project is done. The Saxon came out pretty nice. Alligator wrench. I think it came out a little bit better than I thought it was going to be. Hopefully you enjoyed this cleanup video. So please like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Robert J. Foust, and leave comments below. Thanks for watching. Information on the K&B Tool Company is limited. Now the wrench itself, there are different patents and many manufacturers have made this wrench. Here are some images, and the final image is of the wrenches in my collection. Sorry I haven't made a video in a while. I've been out of town working on a hotel remodel. I work for a company that has hotels, and during this COVID, a lot of stuff's been shut down, but they were able to get us back to work and doing a remodel on one of our properties that needed to be done. So I'd like to give a quick shout out to Sheila, Bill, Phil, John, Don, and Terry. Great group of people to work with, and this is the round table, and definitely like to thank my wife for putting up with me being gone as long as I was. But I'm back home now, so hopefully I can get some more videos out for you.